What is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Isabel and I would love it if you would subscribe. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, today we're doing a Sunday reset. So we are getting ready for the week, making sure that everything is all clean, everything is done for the week, and that we're ready to just like start the week, start Monday, tomorrow on a good note. So I did make a little list on my phone of things that I need to do, mostly like things that I need to clean in the apartment. Sunday is a big cleaning day for my boyfriend and I. We just like to clean on Sundays. Saturdays we like just doing whatever we want, and then on Sundays we like doing most of the cleaning in the apartment, so that's what we're doing today. And then like we obviously still do cleaning during the week, but the majority of it is done during the weekend. Like the big whole thing is done during the weekend, which is what we're doing this weekend, or we're doing right now on Sunday. I also need to go to the grocery store because our fridge is literally empty, so we have no food for the week. And I feel like that's pretty much it. We need to clean, I need to go to the grocery store, and I thought I would just bring you guys along. So I've already started doing a few things, and it's already like the afternoon. It is 1:45. We had such a chill morning, and honestly that's part of our Sunday. Sundays we're just taking it very easy while getting everything done to be ready for the week. So we did like lounge in bed until 10, made breakfast, and then just talked at the table while eating breakfast. And even after we were done eating breakfast for like an hour and a half, 2 hours, it was just really nice. Just taking it super easy. We're not in a rush to go anywhere today. We don't have any plans, so we were just, you know, enjoying each other's company. Now I'm trying to get everything done because I don't want to like push this too far into the day, because I know that the later it gets, the less motivated I'm gonna be. So I am starting to do most of the cleaning right now, and that's why I'm starting this video so late. But that's just like a realistic Sunday for us, so I'm keeping it real with you guys, and that's just how it is. So I have a list on my phone, and I've started doing a few things. Alex started a load of laundry, so that's in the works. I've also taken all the sheets off of our bed so that we can wash them. We wash them every single week, once a week. That is like a necessity. And then I started vacuuming as well. Most countertops and like bedside tables and all of that are cleaned, but I still need to wash like my office, my desk in my office, so I need to do that. And then we have, and this is the worst, you guys, we are the worst at doing this, but when it comes to laundry, we are so bad at folding it when it's dried, so we just accumulate it and we have so much to fold. So I think that's what I'm going to tackle next. I'm going to tackle my office and folding all of that laundry, and then I'll be able to vacuum the guest bedroom, because at this moment our laundry is all over the guest bed, and it is mortifying. Honestly, it is so mortifying that it is there, but we needed things that were in the laundry basket and just didn't find the time, or didn't take the time to fold it, so we had to like throw it over the guest bed to find our things, such as socks. Socks are like the worst to find because you need to find two that match. So anyways, honestly it's mortifying, so I need to get that done ASAP. Okay, so this is it, you guys. It is absolutely mortifying, so I'm gonna take care of this right now. Alright, so I just finished folding all the laundry, cleaning the guest bedroom. I vacuumed, I did the desk as well. So everything in the two bedrooms is done. I'm so happy. And then the hallway is done as well. The living room is done. We've only got the bathroom and the laundry room as well as the dining room to do. So that's not much, but I'm getting kind of hungry, so we're gonna go make some lunch now. And we're thinking, Alex and I were thinking to make these like mini pizzas. So we're gonna make mini pizzas for lunch. We've got our little mini pizzas. Basically what we did is used a like burger bun, some tomato sauce, pepperonis, onions, peppers, and then cheese. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make. And it's a quick, easy, yummy lunch. Okay, all of the cleaning is done and now we're heading out. We need to go to the grocery store. So basically what I did is I planned out all of our dinners for the week. And now we just need to go buy what we need to make those dinners, as well as like a few things for breakfast. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'll do a grocery haul when we get back home. Shouldn't be too long, so we'll come back home and I'll do a little grocery haul for you guys. Okay, we're back home from the grocery store, and as promised, I'm going to do a little grocery haul for you guys. So basically what I did is in my notes app, I prepared like a list of dinners that we're going to be eating for the week, which is typically what like we need food for. So that's why I always start off with that. And then breakfast, we typically always have everything that we need except for like one or two things, so that's not very complicated. And then as for lunch, for me, I'll often eat just like leftovers or very, very easy things. And most of the time we have everything. And in this case, we did have everything. I didn't have to buy anything for any of my lunches. And Alex doesn't really eat lunch. He doesn't eat breakfast. So when he comes home for lunch, he eats a breakfast for lunch. So not very complicated. So let's get into this grocery haul. Okay, first thing, I got some salmon. I was so happy about this because it was on sale, and salmon has been so expensive lately, so I was very, very happy to get some salmon. Next, we got some bacon. You guys know we love eating bacon on weekend mornings. A loaf of bread. I love eating this with my breakfasts. Some green grapes, some green onions, some bananas, 2 things of chocolate milk. I was craving it and it was on sale, so we got 2. Some mayonnaise, and then last but not least, some cream corn. And that's literally it. Not too expensive. If you guys know, like, grocery has been so expensive lately. Like, everything has just gone up so much, so we really do try to buy a minimum amount of things because we don't want to be spending all of our money on food and end up wasting some. So we really do try to be very careful and mindful of what we buy. So that's our little grocery haul. Other than that, we have everything that we need in our fridge already for our dinners and our breakfasts as well as our lunches. So that is my grocery haul, and I need to get back to doing some tidying up because although the apartment is clean, the laundry has not been completely finished except for the things that I needed to fold earlier. So I need to get what's in the washer into the dryer so that we have clothes for the week. You guys, I'm done. Everything is done. The only thing that's not done, I have like no control on, and it's like the bed. I'm sitting on the bed, it's not done. The sheets are in the wash. They're gonna go in the dryer soon, and then I'm gonna be able to make the bed, and we're gonna have clean sheets tonight to go to bed in, and that's just like honestly the best. Right now, since I'm like done everything, I'm going to start prepping our dinner because it's already like 5:30, I think. Yep, 5:30. So I'm gonna start prepping our dinner. I'm like, honestly, we're not hungry. We had lunch so late, but I'm gonna prep everything so that like everything is ready for whenever we're hungry. I'm gonna make a like udon noodle like stir fry, so hopefully that'll be really yummy. And then it's Sunday. If you guys know, Sundays we watch Occupation Double, which is a Quebec TV reality show that we watch every Sunday during the fall. So we're gonna watch that tonight. I'm very excited for the episode tonight. So I'm gonna go prep everything. I'll show you guys my little marinade that I'm gonna make, or like the sauce that I'm gonna make for the stir fry, and I'll hopefully have a recipe that I can link down below, unless I decide to eyeball it, which in that case I'll just let you guys know what I end up putting in it. Okay, I just prepped our dinner. So in here we've got broccoli stems, peppers, onion, and green onions, as well as some pork that I just cut up, and then we've got the udon noodles and this sauce. I made a lot because usually one recipe of the sauce is not enough, but I'm guessing we're gonna have more than enough with just this. So I could have probably done just one time the recipe, but oh well, it's a really good sauce, so it's fine. So this is gonna be dinner, and if you guys want the sauce recipe, I'll have it linked down below for you. Look at how good this turned out, you guys. It looks so good. And if you guys want the recipe, it'll be linked down below. It turned out so good, and I'm so excited to eat. There's a whole bunch of veggies in here, as I showed you guys earlier. The not the ground pork, but just regular pork fillet, and the sauce, as well as the udon noodles. So look at it. Look at this. Look at how yummy this is.
Open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always have my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got two good shoulders to cry on. I was alright